All right, let's do an update on the giant Sequoia tree, a giant redwood. I got the seeds in about 2.5 years ago. Well, before that, actually I got the seeds in Yosemite National Park and planted the seeds about 2.5 years ago. So this is actually, this is probably, let's say about 3 feet, maybe a little over 3 feet tall, 3.5 feet maybe. Really surprised how well it's grown in that short amount of time. Just growing it inside from seed over the winter, the first winter from October through to the next spring season with grow light, and then put it outside. So this is some new growth here on the top, and like from right here up, that's new growth. From here, it probably grew about a foot this year, but I still can't believe it's this tall, and it's only 2.5 years old. Let's kind of get down and look at it like this. Got these metal stakes next to it. I put a piece of wire over the top in the wintertime to keep the deer from chewing on it. I don't know if they will, but in the wintertime this thing was completely brown. It looked like it was dead almost, and not like this part right here. This actually is dead, this little piece. You see there's some on the inside here. There is a little dieback, not too much, but it'll just start greening up in the springtime. And it's a little bit late this year because we had a really cold winter and it just kept going on forever. And this is what it looks like now. So I expect it to probably grow another foot or so, maybe a little bit more this year. And I've got another one that's just a little bit shorter than this. So this was the best one of the two. Just take a little quick look around. Hopefully it'll be here for hundreds of years and turn into a really pretty tree, just like in Yosemite. But yeah, look at the top here. This part's really looking good. I think as it gets older and the branches get thicker and more mature, then it'll be able to hold up to the cold a lot better, and you won't have this these little spots like right here where it's dying off a little bit. But again, I think it did really well through that winter. It was 10 below 0 Fahrenheit a few times. It was just really cold this winter. So there you go, and it's well on its way this year. So that's the update.